Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love. Well, guys, as you can see, you know, tonight we're here at the Nyankepong, the Maroon, the Sovereign Nyankepong Sovereign Maroon government. You know, I get invited by L.A. Lewis and also by Yaya to attend to the. Yeah, so this is the launch of their amend, you know, Constitution launch. You know, this is amend Constitution launch. You know, where the Maroon in Nyankepong, you know, will be launching today, you know, something big, you know. So L.A. Lewis is the one that invited me, you know, to come see what it's about and everything, and also Yaya. So I'm here at Pegasus Hotel, you know, so let me show you the hotel, the big sign up there. That is it right there. Yes, so I'm here now, you know, to go to see what's inside, but I've been waiting on Yaya, but Yaya not reach as yet, you know, so I'm gonna enter the building, you know, and we also have a guest as well here as well too, you know, so I guess they say L.A. is on the stage, so I want to go and catch him, hear what he's saying, you know?
No one to finance, and I will be prompted to quit by the assistant secretary. We're in financial concern. We have to make sometimes about solving Maroon Bank, Central Bank, up and running. Most of the work on this, I have to confess, has been done by Mrs. Rowe and the members of the team in the office. And I am playing very minimal role in getting this done, and I will admit that another critical done. So but thank God for the people who work in the office, it has been done. And it falls under my ministry, and I feel very guilty that I have left it to the office staff to take care of it, especially this one, the Emperor, and the Assistant Secretary of State. I'd also like to thank Dr. Owen, who contributes a lot in giving us his great insight on what we should do and contributing by introducing us to important people in the industry. And hoping that you will all stay in touch, keep in touch. If you have not yet registered for your Maroon documents, we are at 96 Constant Spring Road. That's at the corner of Shortwood Road, right here in Kingston. Please, if you have not yet registered, come in and get registered and get your Maroon documents. There are many benefits attached to having the sovereign Maroon documents. Won't go into them right now, but if you come into the office, call me if you like. I have tons of business cards on me. You'll see me, I'm sitting right at the table over there. And if you don't catch me at the table, I'll be here for a while after the event. So get my business card. You can call the Nyankepong office. Which number is what again, Mr. Rowe? 669 3330. That's 669-3330, or come to us at 96 Constant Spring Road, and of course you can get my business card sometime during the night. Thank you all very much for your time and for listening. And although the event is not over, I'm hoping and wishing for you all a safe journey back to your homes, and I pray for all the blessings for you and your families. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Morales. We're coming down to the curry of the night's event. We're going to be breaking for a short while to have you your taste bud
refreshed.
Yes.
Yes. And so we're going to go into an interlude of entertainment. We're inviting Benito to come up. We have 15 minutes of that. And while that is happening, we're inviting all of you to go to the buffets, I think at either side of the room. I think there may be also one on the outside. And just refresh yourselves. All right? So Benito.
Let's have liquor. Liquor button tunnel.
Liquor button tunnel.
All right, let's have it.
Pleasant good night. I must recommend, and I like friend, it's more like family, the Emperor. Having me here to perform for you all, but no music or rhythm is not here, so I would have to just take it a cappella form, okay? You all right with that? So when him say Benito, I can't hitch on him. I'm a bigger brother from another mother. When we lean on, when we lift hand, when we lean high, cause another you born again, another one is that you're gone again. One more stress on mom again. With no more to feed and she can't find no food for them. So she gone again. And you know, pan red light can again. One more to perform again. Keep telling herself this is the last time, but tomorrow she gone again. And like a whirlpool keep on going round. Suffering never stop it, keep on spiraling down. The youth them need a savior, who is gonna save them? You know, see the youth never drown. Just like a whirlpool keep on. How you gonna wait again? Want a job, he ma feel wait again. Workplace accommodate again. Nobody else has them about 4 years experience. Heartbreak again. Another young mind frustrate again. Feeling hopeless in another field again. So we turn to the easiest thing he could have find out how to hate again. Crime rate again. The last time it escalate again. New task force government create again. Should have prayed more children and just like a whirlpool keep on going around. So we never stop it, keep on spiraling down. Savior, who's gonna save them? You don't see, you don't see. When we leave on, Savior, who's gonna save them? You don't see, you don't see. When we leave on, when we lift hand, when we lead high. Yeah, that is born again. So, we are going to run off the So, I'm going to report where them come from. Let me see where they go. So, from a report, I want to come from.
Next week, of course.
Where I'm from in the jungle, life is ever. Cops come, cops kill, innocent, joke and no regard. Where I'm from, life is a constant struggle. There's no less how we live. You will be tough if you want to survive.
Hello.
I'm Anna. Can I call him a son?
Yeah, man, you can call me a son. No problem. Oh, gosh, it's good. I know.
The thing is, like,
That's so hard.
we don't have any service away from the.
But yeah, it's on his way. And thing. Alright, so give me a minute, I'll do a little video with him and come back, right? I'm doing right here.
Okay, we'll be here.
Alright guys, so we're here and everything is taking place at the minute, as you can see. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get some information and find out what's going on, what all of this Maroon amendments about, so we can explain to you and give you some more idea of what's going on. Because remember, I'm here, to get some investigation of what's going on about the Maroon Nation, the government say what going on right now. So so we have one of the chief here as well too.
Yes, so Chief Franklin Goddard.
Chief Franklin Goddard. Sorry, Chief Franklin. So I've been invited by Ella Lewis and also as well too. But yes, I just want to get some information of what's going on, because everyone's going to be watching. So I want to see the insight of what's going on and what is there where you can explain to the people about.
Well, it's a great initiative towards the Jamaican corporation government. So we have $3 billion and that's given over to them to share to the nation as humanitarian grant, because it's too long now. Our school are suffering. If you take Wednesday, gonna take a trip to St. Andrew Primary, St. Jude, St. Patrick School, all of them need paint and infrastructure. So you can use that money and fund in also to have programs for kids that do not have any lunch money and so forth.
Okay, so you're one of the chief
Minister of Investment, Trade and Commerce.
Yeah, and you say you're giving away $3 billion to the Jamaican government.
Yes, for humanitarian grant. So that money can also cover the road projects, drainage, school infrastructure, other things in place towards the JDF and the JCF as well.
Yeah. So that is something that you and the Jamaican government in dialogue speak about already?
Yes, if you wish to come forward and take it, don't make pride get enough for him. It's here for him.
So it's already on the table?
Yes, for them to come and receive it.
So you think him have any intention of coming to receive that?
Well, you don't know the corporation really, come for it to make the public seat and start gravitate towards the become tribal government, because we are the real government and we are working for the crown. We represent King Charles and the Vatican. We get our documents underneath a thing called common law and maritime law. So you own back your estate to yourself or your straw man. So when you get our documents, if you even get a ticket, for instance, as I said, that ticket will be cancelled. When you go in front of the judge, it will be thrown out because the judge has no jurisdiction over us.
Okay. So how can you apply for that?
I come to 96 Constant Spring Road with your colonized birth certificate and your driver's license.
So what will be with your current colonized birth certificate? What will happen with that now?
After you got it, we do what we have to do to give you our birth certificate, our earth certificate, and give you back the certificate. Because your birth certificate is a stocks and bond certificate. So we show people who also claim about the money for your birth certificate as well. Generation, whatever generation, the corporation been taking their bonds.
So we're trying to say we've been owned money from our birth certificate, we've been owned money?
Yes, bonds. Each person can have about 4 to 5 bonds, and it's US dollar.
Okay. Well, that's something new. First time I'm hearing about that as well. So there's always new for us to understand the culture of different organizations, which is Maroon is like it's a culture, it's a liberty, right?
Yeah, and also it's a liberty, and Maroon is the real government, because Maroon we go self-governing ourselves, and at a part of the jurisdiction of our constitution, it's about 50 to 51 pages. So when a police gets with marijuana, they cannot arrest it, because our constitution has its spiritual purpose.
Okay, it's very interesting. So I guess we're going to put this out there, you know, so that's why I'm here to broadcast and get some ideas of what's taking place, because, you know, the world wants to know. Because we always hear about the Maroon, but we don't want to know the roots of the understanding of the Maroon, because we all have a choice, but along the way we have a choice to make, you know, and to understand more about the Maroon now as our roots and as our culture, you know, we should get more idea about it, you know.
Yes, with the Maroon documents as well, if you buy a land under the corporation, you're the holder and the owner, but when you declare and clear about the sovereignty, you're coming with a birth certificate, traveler by the after, so your transformation, travel permit, with that now, you own back your strawman and your estate, so with that now, you can get a letter from our Secretary of State to take to them that said you are now exempt from them. So you get a letter right to Vatican from us, right to our corporation government, and right to King Charles that you are free from underneath your jurisdiction.
Very interested. Very interested. Chief, thank you so much for your time. You know what I'm saying? We definitely want to get some more information on what's really going on, because it's so interesting to me, especially with that $3 billion that you guys have on the table for Andrew owners to come and receive it to help out the country. You know, so if you don't want to accept that money, what you guys going to do with it then?
Well, we have to just hold it and try to take another direction to reach out to the people and try to put in some infrastructure, because people are buying their car on the road are so bad. So the road, the drainage needs to fix, and it's been decades. If you look even downtown, a lot of running water, sewage water, because the government does that, the corporation government don't even care about us. So we have to go out there and wish the people worldwide, our Jamaicans that are worldwide, to take heed and come get the sovereignty, because half of your documents, your King Charles will have to talk about the Parliament to us, and the JDF and also the force.
So that $3 billion, so that means Jamaica in debt to USA, right?
Yes, and they will always be in debt. So that $3 billion can clear up a lot of it, because it's not just $3 billion Jamaican, it's US dollars.
I'm saying, because I know Jamaica is in debt to the UK and the USA. Yes. And the Maroon of $3 billion set aside to help Jamaica. But that's something we really have to get to find out.
So the nation, please come out and get your sovereign Maroon documents and flow from underneath colonizer. And own back your own self and your strong and own your property, because if you continue to hold the corporation birth certificate, whenever say one day you're digging up here, they find island area about it, they can come and just show you off the land, because there's a word that the state is a citizen hold on to a corporation name. So you have to declare and clear back your sovereignty and come on and common law and remove from maritime law.
Yes. Alright, so guys, as I said, this is the chief himself, you know, much love. Thank you so much, you know, for having us, and trust me, it's a wonderful information right now. It's going to synchronize right now for me to understand, so boy, there's so many people away on the other side, you know, of not being colonized, you know, so that's what's still going on. And honest, we can go for that money there, you know, $3 billion. But you know, if you don't want it, you can link up drinking the charity, or you can link up our charity, you know, we make use of that $3 billion. A lot of people need help. So you can take something from that to help out our country. If you don't want to do it, I will do it. You know? That's a lot. That's fair. Come on, guys, so it's a lot of information, you know, but I'm going to get some more information, of course, really taking place, you know, because that $3 billion, you know, trust me, come on, you know, wonder to see what's going on, you know. We're here, one of our lovely extended family, as you could see, you know, and our husband over there, I go and rest him feet, you know, because he's been here for the whole day. Well, they've been on the road for the whole day, so, you know, so we're here to one of our extended family, and we thank her so much for being here. So she's here to see Yaya, and so she saw her going with the Maroon Nation as well too, you know, so I should also thank you, you know, for the dream team and for myself as well too, you know, it's in envelopes, so sorry, I can't see it. I can't see it, hide and seek.
So there's a note inside there with the names.
Okay, for who to get.
Who to get.
Okay, so this is for the team?
Yes, 200 US.
Okay. And the names in there.
Esther.
Yeah.
Wow Chef.
Yeah.
What's his name? The one. What's his name? Dollar.
30 grand.
30 grand.
30 grand, yeah.
Jackson.
So the names is in there. So don't burst everything.
And Boops.
Boom.
And Boom. And the guy that fixed the
Prefect.
rendering. Is
Prefect.
Yeah, that did. It's prefect.
Yeah.
That did the rendering
By
primary.
yes, prefect.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a prefect.
And this is yours.
Thank you so much. You see them say you can't see your name from bowl and eat it. You know, so that one I'm gonna eat it. Go in my pocket. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
You know?
I think the note is in.
Oh, the note is in there.
Yeah, they're the names, yes.
Okay. And I thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Put this away.
Yes.
Put this
I wish
away.
it could be more, but
Yeah, we appreciate. Sometimes on the thoughts that count, you know, the thoughts. And I love them too.
we love it.
Yeah, man, the general, the husband, the man himself, you know. Yeah, man.
You're doing a great thing for the folks.
Yeah, man,
Keep it up,
thanks,
keep it up.
definitely. Hear that? Yeah, man.
God bless you, my
So
friend.
we do good in life and good shall always return, you know. So we touch a lot of life, so we appreciate and we give thanks, you know. And we thank you so much as well too for the
I
love and
represent
support.
as a son.
Of course.
I have two kids, a girl and a boy.
Yeah.
And I refer to you as my second son.
Of course, there's a lot of them claim me, you know.
Yes.
They say if you don't mind share with the rest of the mothers and the fathers then that watch the program.
I don't mind.
And say Keynote is my
Yes.
son.
You are God sent. Let me tell you, what
Thank you.
you are doing, it's great. It's
Yeah.
wonderful. As I said, I look at you as Enoch. As I say, Enoch, walk with God and
Yeah,
never
yeah.
fail. Because I know it's not easy.
No, it's
It's
not.
not easy, and
not.
sometimes I say, Lord, let me be like more like Enoch.
Hey, I'm telling you. And I thank the Lord so much, you know, for giving me this faith inside and the courage,
Yes.
you know, to continue on this
And
journey
strength.
and the strength because it's needed, you know, and we give thanks. And this journey teach me a lot,
yes.
you know, so much.
I learn a lot from you and the rest of the team.
Yes.
Because when I look at these people and see where they're at, a lot of the people that walk with you, Wow Chef, Esther,
Yeah.
and see how dedicated
They are, right.
you know, willing.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Cool, it's very inspiring, you know.
It's inspiring.
Yeah,
It's
it's very,
inspiring.
very.
And make me, you know, each day when I get up, I just have to give thanks for what I have.
Of course.
I forget about complaining.
Because when you see what some other person is going through, you're like, wow.
They're happy. Look at the Cranberry family.
Exactly, and they're happy to see him here.
They're happy.
Because remember, you couldn't tell they was going through the situation if I never went up by the yard.
Right.
So you wouldn't know. You know, it
And I
don't show.
mean, God sent you in their lives.
True,
God
true,
sent you in their
true.
lives. And you see, what's her name? The mother.
Kenisha.
She's a good person.
Yeah.
What Kenisha needs is counseling.
Yeah.
Because I think she had reached a stage in her life where she had given up. Where she had, people love Kenisha. They
Yes,
love her.
true.
They just want to see her.
Better.
Yes.
Yes.
Step up to the plate.
Yes,
But I think she's at a stage in her life where she needs counseling.
True.
She needs counseling.
Yeah, because she kind of give up as you can
Yes, she
see.
had given up, I think.
She definitely can use some professional counseling.
Yeah, to get
she
more
needs
encouraged, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, to get encouraged because it's a thing when time you lose hope, you know.
It's not
It
easy.
takes a lot to get it back, you know?
Yes.
Get a lot. So the pray for her, you know, the more
But they're good people.
they are.
They're
you know?
honest.
Yeah.
They're good people.
Yeah. So we have to just give them time sometime and hope somebody can come. Not only me,
Yes.
someone else can give her some positive advice as well to try to encourage her, you know, can help. You know, because sometimes it takes a whole community to grow a child. Just imagine an adult that's been through so much already. You know, you need a lot of us to try to help save me. Not only just me, you know, on the team. We need more than me to really try to help us, you know, because when something is broken, there's so many pieces already.
Yes, it takes a lot to put it back together.
Takes a lot to put it back
Takes a
together.
lot.
Yeah.
And it's not gonna happen overnight.
No.
No.
Definitely for sure.
We just have to be patient with her. And not just her, even the father. He might not show certain things, but also he needs to, he needs counseling.
Yeah, of course. They need it, they need it. They need it, man.
You know,
Yeah, they
the
need it.
smoking and the drinking. I mean, it's an addiction. Addiction is not something easy to break.
No.
You know, it's a battle.
Yes.
And you know, we all just have to keep praying for them. And if they can get some counseling, you know, they...
Yes, of course, for sure.
Yeah.
And we're hoping one day it will happen.
It will happen.
You know, I'm hoping one day it will happen. Yeah. I'm saying I really appreciate it and thank you so
And
much.
I know you're busy.
You know,
I know you're busy. So.
okay, you have to go and get some coverage, you know, Papi. But I'm saying, yeah, super, so we can go and see something. So we can move on down with it.
Okay.
Right? Alright guys, so we're going to get some more information of what's going on, you know, because it's going on inside in there. You know, Yaya is on his way, because they're also waiting on Yaya also, you know, so I think they start with back by now. So let's see what happens.
There's a lot of seats now.
Yeah. So here we have the roots. We have roots. Yeah, radio station. We have roots there. 96.1 right here. We have Sun City as well to Sun City. Radio station as well. We have Gospel JH.
Chief Timothy Kent.
Yes, yeah.
Chief Timothy Kent.
So they're selling food
Anywhere
inside
in the
the
building?
No, they're just giving away. So if you want, you can just go at the table at the buffet.
Okay.
They
Before I
as well.
go ahead, I would like for
So
you
you have two sides. You have this side, you have that side.
his portfolio
So you can choose any side you want
for
and help yourself. Right? Yeah, man.
and culture as well. Chief Timothy Kent.
Personnel, members of the media, welcome to our amended constitution launch. I am Chief Timothy Kent of the Nyan Sovereign Maroon government. I am Chief Minister of Roots, Culture and Youth Development. So my portfolio is specifically centered around our roots and culture as it states, but more specifically one of the main issues we face here in our island. It's the issue as it relates to our youth, their upbringing men and their awareness of their culture, alignment and roots. And we are recently facing a press and deter them from making such a drastic decision such as taking their lives. The lives of themselves are bringing harm to someone before doing so. Our future of our nation and by the world by extension requires our youths to be very much active and aware, and we must value the lives of our youths and encourage them to be culturally aligned and roots. They must take their roots seriously.
We'll be rolling out, and this one in particular is for the Emperor, the Maroon Emperor, and you will see that fixed on his vehicles whenever he's driving. Of course, he's official and diplomatic, so of course you will see it on his vehicles whenever he's driving. So this is the license plate for the Maroon Emperor. That's traveling. We also have the license plates for the Maroon diplomats. So these are the traveling license plates for the Maroon diplomats. So all ambassadors, diplomats, high chiefs, these are the license plate, and of course you realize it's color coded in blue for all government officials. We also have the license plate for the entire Maroon Nation. So each and every Maroon even Jamaicans, you can come on out and you can sign up and get your documents at the Maroon, and you can be entitled to these license plates affixed on your vehicle. Freedom of movement. That's our autonomy. All right? All right. So on the point of order, if we can have everyone seated, so that we can have the general speech by our Maroon Emperor, His Excellency Horace L.A. Louis L.B. Back over to our... No? All right, so a little bit closer to the front. All right, so all attention to this area to the front. And let me just say a general thank you again for your support. It means a lot, I must say. Thank you, and thank you for listening. And just know that we are a fully effective government working for the betterment of our nation. At this time, without further ado, I would like to present to you, everyone in this room and to this nation and to this globe, our Maroon Emperor and Chief High Priest, His Excellency Horace L.A. Louis L.B. Put your hands together and make our Maroon Emperor welcome. Come on, put your hands together for him.
We shall be my people. From the city flag, His Majesty Empress Selassie, Queen Nanny, and the Emperor. So all of the people, Empress Selassie, Marcus gave them set it. Come here and say, Jah! Jah! Aliyah, we shall be Timoshe Manisha. Watakan, Bralakan Tanistos. Now people, Dr. Jonathan, yes, my good friend Mark, Secretary of State, Empress Regina, yes son, big up all, Mr. Kudal, yeah, Chief Paramount, it's a new man transportation, and all of the chief them, Mark over there sir, my good friend again, yeah, a supporter. So people, a few time now. Over time now? Big up all of my police team, them, big up the security team, and big up the doctors, big up the lawyers, them, big up the judges, them, big up the civilians. Thanks again, and it's been a great one. Yes, and we don't need great about the hotel. Beg we said though to make the place overcrowded. Yes, and so big up the hotel managers. So emphasizes. Alvila, come up somebody there, somebody like that. Come up Alvila, yeah. People, good friend, you understand? Because we compare to one, yeah. Two of the greatest man of God people. You understand? Alvila now people, he has been doing the job, contributing to the poor, the needy. You understand? Has been spreading the name of the Almighty God, the Almighty Jesus Christ all over the world. You understand? And then my cousin again, and then Sarah below we have the big boss himself. So I'm big up, who else get big up now?
Everyone.
Now I'm here, yeah. ISIS is spreading it, ISIS come up to one. Let's spread the mighty of Empress Selassie, yes, and so people, no matter what name they call the Almighty God, as Empress Selassie said, every one of us is spiritual. You understand? Nyankopong, you can Google the name, Nyankopong. It stands also for the God creator, the Ghana, the Akan God. You understand? We dig it up back a long time. That's why you hear Naya Man, Naya Binge, Nyankopong. You understand? All time people used to say Nyankopong Pikibo. So people, we're rich. What we do? Rich.
And that's no joke, no people. So the days of suffering is over. And it will depend upon one signature. It is depending on no people, the Minister of Finance of Jamaica. Now, big up my good friend Nigel Clark, Ardeshaw. We've been talking about this long time, but Nigel did get uplifted. I don't know how to give out the snake eye, just get uplifted. My good friend Angela, we all know about these funds. They're called Sovereign Wealth Fund. They're called what? Sovereign Wealth Fund. All the soon I couldn't want money. They're called Sovereign Wealth Fund. What is called? Now people, you can Google it. Donald Trump and all of them is running down now. But they're granted to sovereign nation. Sorry to say, but the Jamaican corporation isn't a sovereign nation. It is a colonial nation. But it is run by us. So it's like we've been keeping our own self in slavery. We are our own prison. I wonder if you don't understand what I'm saying. True word has never yet been spoken. Don't only laugh off him. But my wrote some joke about him more time, but I rate Andrew Wallace. You understand? I rate Portia Simpson Miller. You understand? People, Andrew Wallace telling us something the other day, and the whole of the laugh off him and think you're a madman. What him said, your bird paper doesn't make you a what? Jamaican. See, no more afraid to repeat it. Your bird paper doesn't make you a what? Jamaican. And then the minister Andrew Wallace a madman. No, people. But if you rate him, enough other politicians wouldn't tell you that. They do it for years, they do it for generations, near years. Your birth paper is a stamps and bond certificate. Oh no, that put up on the hand. But I'm afraid to say, because I'm afraid people say they're mad people. When we just talk of these people, I want to say they're madman. Tell me say around millions and billions and trillions. People. But by a year the other day, and I gave it away. David, I gave it away, right? 2 bedroom people, just tell a man to be a big nine keep on saying on it. I gave it away. When we give it away, now guess away. But we meet this one over here, so just give it 2 bedroom. Let's say you want to go out with it. I pick up our people. Me know enough of them say, yo, the white man carry money, come give them. No people. My friend Mark over there, so come on, press Mark. This is a friend, no people. Now, out of those same sovereign wealth fund and different business, my good friend Mark come to me and said they have a big project in America, in Las Vegas, and I like the project, people. And me say, wait, Las Vegas and plus Mark here, people, they have some digital network what interests us stuff. But the big project, what is the name of the project, Mark?
It's a resort destination. It's called Oasis. I don't want to give out any more information until 6 months or when I come back in February. We're in negotiations, but it's something that will blow your mind. It's something that even Dubai does not have. It is something that will bring the world together. It's something, yeah, it's amazing. It is truly amazing. And when I come back in February, when we show you what we're doing, you're going to be in awe. And what's amazing is there's going to be a plaque that's going to celebrate this nation and this man that is going to be seen by the world. And it's going to show the power of what you've created. Incredible. Thank you.
Yes, people. And the Nike Maroon Sovereign Global Travel Government, we're putting a large part of the funding to that project. So, for all of you people most of the race is still on the mind, there's nothing as race people. My grandmother, Ingrid Lewis, she's 100% browner than Mark, and our ear, yes, I'm a mixed nation. And most of you out here, so it's also mixed, but they don't check on our ancestral heritage. So we don't have to run racism. The Nike Maroon government, Mark is a Maroon, but he's called a Caucasian Maroon. The Chinese one is Maroon, but they're called they're called Oriental Maroons. Maroon means the color of your epidermis, people, the color of your skin. But a lot of people don't know that. None of us in here is black. See here, I have about $255,000 in my pocket, and if one only can prove so the black, I'm giving all of this. No, hold on there. My good friend doctor gave me $500. I'm only taking on $400 out there for myself. Yeah? So you can get this too. So I will be framing all of these people. So when they come to the Nike Maroon government office, all of this will be put in a big giant frame. You understand? And for you people can see all who give the contribution to the Nike Maroon government. Otherwise, my friend here and one more of our other funders. You understand? Now, Dr. Almila, how long you know about this funding?
No, it's quite a long time that we understand sovereign funds are available around the world for sovereign countries, but it is not as widely known and we don't know how to access and utilize it. But it's reality, and a changing world is bringing it to the fore. So it's interesting what tomorrow is going to look like.
Alright people, this is one of the greatest man of God in Jamaica. Give him a round of applause. Dr. Almila! Yeah, and because of God grass man, one of the greatest man of God to people. You understand? Two different sides people, but the same spiritual power. Big up the people because
my people, good health, long life, peace, joy, riches, and mighty happiness in Christ.
We shall be. And our Governor General people, our global tribal nation Governor General, Dr. Owen, and is also a man of God to people.
Thank you, Emperor. We are so grateful that we can work with you to bring great prosperity to the Neapakan nation. Thank you, Emperor.
We shall be. And if you don't know what we shall be, it's an ancient Karamanti language. We shall be mean we shall be victorious, we shall be prosperous, and we shall be glorious. We shall be. And if you want to be, you know, you say, I shall be. Yes. So people, we might be here tonight, and then the hunger is why a lot of you people might doubt it's because I am my color. If I was my color now, you people don't believe it easier. You people don't believe in the word yourself. That's why now, when you see me buy the Benz them, when you see me give them much millions of dollars, when you see me buy the yacht them, I hear them, I feel one. But when them see me driving, I may crash them, I may hear them, I feel one. So people, I don't buy them things because I like them, because I have how much, Regina, how much Benz I have now? 5, 4? And I have the Land Rover. I can only drive one car, people. And my favorite vehicle, people, are the holiest one. You understand? The Chrysler. So the boss doing it. So people, I buy them things because I want to impress all of because I don't know how to believe in vanity. And when I believe in vanity, when you see it with the one of people. Like my friend Mark, when I say, God, I'll drive anything I tell him a millionaire, I believe him. Yes, I don't know what we tell you, I'm not sure. Remember right? So people, yes, so now people, you have your Maroon documents on your David? I look mine in the car. Everybody have the Maroon sovereign documents on them ID? Identification card? Or Chief Richards? I big up Chief Richards, they have been working so hard through the day. Alright now people, now this is what they call your travel documents. Alright, so this is your travel documents people. With this now, you travel in your vehicle. You understand? And with this now people, you do not pay tax, nowhere at all in the world. These are global. Maisha Wilson, now she's our Secretary of State, and she's also attorney at law. You understand? Our Paramount Chief is an A-class pilot. You understand? And we have only judges and we have only police who have them documents already. My good friend over here, so the Governor General, is one of the biggest ministry in America. And he's also, you also have your Maroon documents, right, Doctor? Alright. So people, so get these documents today. You don't pay tax at all. I will show you now how you can finally own your land. Because none of you in here so own no land. I'll go where you own the land and you say what it is. You people are all land what? Owners. Thank you my people. So with this now people we show you how you can can own your own land. You understand? And having land, it is your birthright. Matter of fact, it is your born right. It is your nativity right for own land. Because for too long now, people, everybody come and take the land and we don't want none. Wrong, am I right?
Right.
And you people comfortable being slaves. You people comfortable cursing the emperor and want to try to find something to put me down. Show me a food color. So people, if I was to jump out to the people, I would be a happy man. The Bible says you shall save much 100,000.
One church chase 1,000.
How much?
One church chase 1,000 and two churches chase 10,000.
That's what the Bible said. But now we have over 4.8 million people worldwide of these documents. So I've surpassed the Bible. And how did we do it, people? Marcus Garvey was the first one to know about Joali who came with this. But before we reach far, he introduced it and then they get rid of him. Same people get rid of Marcus Garvey? No. Now, how did the emperor manage to do this? I'm a marketing genius. And I'm also in the Freemason. You understand? My grandfather bring me in from me, I look up picking it. You understand? But I'm not in it again. Come out here because me have to go grow up on my own. I have to spread more on wings. You understand? So I'm a man of God. I'm also a chief high priest. You understand? So we welcome all nations, all denominations, because the whole of us is one. No matter if you say Jesus, no matter if you say Celestia, if you say Allah, you say Buddha, we are all one what? People. We are earthlings. So people, let us cast aside the separation that has divided us like broken buckle of splinters for far too long. Because we face a new enemy now, people. In the depopulation. In the new world order, if you don't know it, it's already here. In the wiping you all out with the vaccine, when the thing will spray from the skies. That's why people, Dr. Morales now, Dr. Morales, can you come up here please? We have worked tirelessly people. This is a launch of a long time now, but we said we weren't going to launch it until we get the serum. You can carry a bottle of the serum please? People, all who take the vaccine, this wipe it straight back out of you. The nanoparticle that is in you. A lot of you people, through the might sound connect to corporate, who hide the truth and get rid of yourself. A lot of my police friends, my doctor's friend, my friend, they will tell the drop out and I cry. You understand people? See there people, you're not even label yet. Oh, the thing, the people, you know who to come up with that guy with them. You see, people will be around. So, they can be doing the first one will launch, they teach them. I say no people, yeah. We don't think ISIS will use it. No, it was all right. Well, and you work left them there. So people, now we have been working on these people for almost 1 year and a half now, people. You understand? We know a thing called colloidal silver, because we were selling colloidal silver and making millions of dollars for it. But the colloidal silver was taking too long to take back the things about the people and body. So we put the colloidal silver in it and some more other things, and we work it and it move it, they never move it. Because we have a, what you can't think where you look through again? Microscope. So we just tap some on it and then we do some boom. People, I want you to say now. Well, first guinea pig, you know who? Guess who? No! The power chief! Can we take it? No, if 99% clean. Yes. So people, give a round of applause. Yes, man. So anybody who took the job, oh no, they have to worry again. Tell them the grandmothers have to worry. We tested from people who did a shake. Now them stand up even stronger than me. About some people. But back to the documents now, people. Once you have these documents, we teach you how you can get back money off of your birth paper, as my good friend Andrew Willis said. Big up Andrew Willis. Your birth paper is a stocks and bond certificate, people. It is traded on the stocks and bond market. When you come to our office, you just give us your TRN or your social security, or you give us your ID, I will send it to the website by the number. So we take off your number off of the colonial papers and put it on parchment paper, live life paper. So you're now free. So we segregate it from a thing called a straw man. This is something that the Americans have been using all along. They call them the American Indians, they call them the Moorish society, they call them the nation of Islam. It's like you people down here and in the wider Caribbean don't know nothing about it. But when I'm putting it to you now, people, because I am not my good friend call over there, so or the devil come for too tough. Now we got 4.8 million people, and people, I swear to the Almighty God, Nayan Kepong, Jesus, everyone of the name, Emperor Selassie, his color come for them more than food no color. I swear. And what we doing to people? We have a thing called, oh, so one of my friends have one to say, about fever. Come see them and show them, man. See there, people. Which parish are you from?
Kingston.
Oh, Kingston, alright. Alright, and see the big chief over there from St. Anne, my female long time. Yes, and the team. So people, get these documents and then you cannot be poor again. We show you how you can access your stocks and bond certificate. And if none of you don't believe, you can go on this American stocks and bonds website, the US Treasury Department, and then you will see that you have been traded every day. So what the Maroon Emperor do, people, is bring back your sovereignty to you. Many are called, but few are chosen. So we have called you people ISIS. I don't know what to say to ISIS, but you need this. And remember, Emperor Selassie said organize and centralize. Marcus Garvey said the same thing too. So people, we finally bring this thing back here. So these are money, but these are not the only money now, people. Now, once you have this, people, big up Pelpatine TV, I see my friend, good. Rod Mushet, I see him already. One rod. Big up yourself, youth. Yeah, man, one rod. Yeah. So people, once you have these documents now, and by now people, although we pay the radio station them for broadcast, we'll make sure buy the radio station them for the time, yeah. Me know so enough of them probably sign off now because the time not done yet. But the corporation probably call them and say, yo, we're going to pay $2 million. So I bet $1 billion people say, if you listen most of the radio station, they will pay if you come here, them sign off, which is a breach of contract, so we can sue them. Now I already know, I'm a spiritual advisor. So if one of the radio station, them people up, that's why I took it for myself to invite my own media. Social media. That is showing life. So, I see people, the same media company, them first ever die, them first ever dead. Because when you're doing a depopulation, you kill the media first, you kill off the police them first, you kill everybody first, the military them first. That you see I'm always protected by police. Then they left the look at normal people and they give them some NSA, some gun, and then go kill off them one another. They never kill them. But they always attack my police them first. That's why we the Maroon government make it our own to make sure that every one of our police them get triple pay, or military them get triple pay. This is an other country where police get pocket money. Where police them don't get no good take care of. And this is remember in the people, when we love our police, when a police left out time yard, or a woman, them don't have to go back live. Clap the police them. People are full time now. The police is defending all of us, but nobody is defending the police. So that's why I'm taking it for myself. I am the defender of all police. I'm the defender of all teachers. I'm the defender of all military. Anybody run from police, my military, my teachers, them, me and them in a problem. They say the teachers them is over 20% of the country, but that's a lie. The teachers them is 85%. Without our teachers them, how would we be here now? Put the teachers them. We shall feel. People, as we tell them, say, if you do not have this document, people, you don't have a future generation. You don't have yourself. And people, they're very affordable, and you make back instant money for them. They don't pay tax. I dare anyone who take tax for you when you have this, you can sue them for discrimination against your sovereignty, discrimination against humanity, discrimination against your way of life, and discrimination against your heritage. and see that they get a clap to go them information there. People, sovereignty is on the way. People, we are not Jamaicans, we are ex-Jamaicans. Most of the island, they are under the water, people. It's sink in the 16th century. I want you to believe me. It's true. Cayman and we want Cayman. Cayman belong to we. Legally, lawfully. Turks and Caicos, the whole 10 Turks and Caicos. I'm not only here about Turks and Caicos, because we have one. A 10 island Turks and Caicos control, they belong to we. Alexander Bustamante and Norman Manley give them away back in the 17th century. 1970 something. Check it if I be lie. Cayman stopped spend Jamaica money 1970 something. Our money is to spend. The whole of them. So people, are we one? We are the, your Bible tell about the last children of Israel. Are we that? That's why everybody look up to we. And we alone look down for ourselves. We are our greatest enemies. People, if I wasn't fully guzo and protected by the Almighty God and protected by Al Miller, yes, you know, circle myself with the man of God, Jesus Christ, everybody be circle myself with. Say, if Jesus say Jesus! If I say Jesus! So people, no matter what, we are one family, one brother, one sister, one cousin. We are all one under the Almighty name of the Almighty God. People, when you say, oh Jesus, what's it the people? The man of Jesus come people and give you over $5.5 billion plus we get some only more. Al Miller put me on top. What's the virtue in America get Al? Thomas. And the man of Jesus said again. And people, it's no laughing matter. These two men here make Jamaica alright again. No joking thing, people. Give them a round of applause. As the same people, the humble somebody that is holding you up now, people. Now that yourself with these financial, we need the Minister of Finance to give us a letter to give the Governor General of BOJ. They sent it from last year. They cannot stop it. But they're now giving the meeting. Because if they give the meeting, they will know we can sue them and we can take them out of power. But no joke, people. These money come from a long time called Nigel Clark. I can show a video with me and Nigel Clark and Artificial discussing it. So once we get this thing, people, the funds will be dispersed and then we give Jamaican Corporation $3 billion to do those school housing, all kind of things. That is why the people who still want to be a slave and hold up on them corporation documents. That is for them. But now it's going to be monitored by our finance minister, Dr. Morales, and the team, and the paramount chief, and King David, our high chief, and also Al Miller, our spiritual man. Okay, we're going to pray for it. And that's so, because man of God role. So people, it's not a joking thing, people. If you forgot to bed tonight and don't think about these people, this is the first time. This is not a real thing. This is 100% real thing. If anybody can prove I'm telling a lie, make $1 million money. A matter of fact, that's just $6,000 US. Make $10 million money. And everybody else knows me have that in Jamaican money easily. So people, get a Nayanke Pound Maroon sovereign documents. So once the Minister of Finance give us the signature on the paper stating that we can go open the account because the Bank of Jamaica is still running the corporation. Although it is your bank, not fair bank. Every politician has been put in power for a small time for handle our business. So you are the real government. Who is the government? The people. So we the people. We the people. The corporation is just managing gold again. Trillions of dollars of gold, people. If you come and buy sovereign oil, people. If you come and buy office, we show some big piece of diamonds up on the table. We dig it up, people. We have platinum, uranium, everything. If you meet the right people, come and buy office, 96 Kansas Spring Road. I say millions of dollars of the people. We also have like So people, we are one of the richest people in the world. We're the nation of Israel people. We are the real Israelites people. We are the real Jew, not Jewish. So people, as I tell you, that's why I brought us so much media, Blacker and Kern Spencer and BOJ TV, Pelpatine TV, yes, and UVC TV and all of Lee's Entertainment, Night Talk Entertainment people. So ISIS Entertainment, different Roots FM, ISIS of Earth, our channel. So people, send back these videos, and as we say people, we are a global government. Madam Secretary of State, how much countries we have offices in now?
We have offices in about 9 countries now.
So people, in England, we're taking away back houses and lands from the colonizers in England. Wow. No joke. In America, we're doing it, and they just turn a blind eye up because they know that them talk about it, everybody will find out about them here. Bernard Lodge the other day, you remember what time they did on the people house? I was the one who go over there and the 5 people this, and every Bernard Lodge property still over there, the color with them still grow, and then they have to carry the project look a bit further down. I mean, nobody said thank you, Maroon Emperor. People, these documents, if it's a Rasta, what if it's a Rasta that here there's a Selassie, see that? Then I'm not, no. If you saw the look on the roots, it's none of that. If I also do love woman. This is a global flag of the world, people. Where we have the flag in over 9 countries, and then the greatest thing, people, you all can be super rich. You all have to open up, get an office space, and come apply to get an office, because we need people like crazy for more. They have money like crazy, don't know what to do with it. So what we're going to do? We're not going to make other people come inherit this money. As I said, I'm also Caucasian Maroons of this, and Indian Maroons of them documents here. And we have 4.8 million people already who have these documents. I see here, my signature is the one who signed all of them. We have Officer Mantico here. Chief Gregory, which parish your office there? Senton. You understand? And we have office in Mobile people. Chief office in Senton. So people, we have to earn up money. You can go on the website and name Lumi. So we're working on our own global central bank, people, as we speak now. You understand? So if even the Jamaican corporation don't give us a signature because you people are still fool, you people are still idiots, what the world of nuance, and the says the world of nuance, because one of the humble people who have the Maroon Emperor on the sinner ice me up because me a fool of color. Bad mind. Willing syndrome, that in a way. So people, say ISIS, you will see me in a Rima, jungle, Tivoli, you will see me everywhere. I'm still there with the people, I'm not going to hype. Me and give a yacht, I'm still not hype. So people, I am asking you, please, on my bending knees, free yourself. Remember, Marcus Garvey and Noble Jordan was the first one who bring them out, then them get rid of them. I did it underground because I didn't just launch them, because if I know somebody launch them, I'm probably there today. So we wait till we got about 2 million, they will come out front with it, so we can't stop it again. We wait till office there all over the world. So this is nothing that we come back and say, oh, please come join me to build. The government is already built people. And we're offering offices to anyone who have the common sense. And if it, tonight, go and read a thing called the United Nation and DRIP. ILO 169. The ILO 169 for also your eyesight, and it put for all the things people. See here?
We shall avail.
That's all you have to say. The only thing you look a bit bitter, people. But granny, so I'm bitter, you're going to what? That's the only thing I'm going to like about the people, you look a bit bitter.
How long that back can, sir? How many drinking that bottle?
Check Dr. Maronis and you'll let her know. So people, And we'll launch them here all over the world by now next week. You understand? So get it, people. I don't know what to say, people. I adore you people, because I don't tell you some love again, because no people love spell back way. You never spell love back way, Isis? You ever spell love back way? E-V-O-L. So when people tell them love, they know say, watch out for them. So, cousin, I adore you. Al, I adore you and I respect you. David, I adore you, I respect you. But people, may adore and respect you. Dr. Jonathan, Mark, I adore you, my people. My Nubian Queen, Empress, I adore you all. So people, get on the Nayanke from Maroon sovereign documents. Nayanke from Maroon government, nothing else makes sense. And for all of the people who politically motivated, we do support the JLP, we do support the PNP, we support everyone. Because the only person who we run competition with people is King Charles. True. The difference with the corporation, they have to beg King Charles because they've added a thing called now contract. And if they breach a contract, but we are not under contract people. We are native. We are what? Native. Now you can say that you're not a Jamaican, because Jamaica was created in 1961 by Queen Elizabeth and then down to Alexander Bustamante in 1962. And then you people say, yeah, we were free, but no, you're still paying tax until today, people. You're still under the colonizers' ban. You understand? So people, get to the sovereign documents. I don't know what else to say to you about. I adore you all, people. We shall have you. Back now, Carbon Chief. Sovereign security and people. You understand? You know what I'm saying? And so people have to need security. Remember, we have our Maroon sovereign security, in technology and everything. You understand? We shall have you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Sovereign security. Tonight, you come sovereign security. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Come on, man. Yeah. India, look, man. Yeah, man. We shall appeal. All right. Because I mean, so security of females and good people, we shall appeal. You know what I'm saying? Good job. Yeah, honorable. Simple. Yeah. Yeah, man. Maroon security. Yeah, man. You have good job since night. I think of our Jamaica police force now. You have good job since night. Big and Sylvia, think of yourself. Yes, son. Swift car rentals, Aspen luxury service, the whole line people. Big and come around, man. Yeah, man.
Great. I always look out for the poor and the needy. That's one thing with Ellie.
I'm sure. Get free cup and say, just,
Alright, you know the thing go. Seven! So we like what going.
Yeah.
Come in here.
Yeah, man. Freedom. Mentally, physically, spiritually. Really, just
Rich fast.
He lies self, you know. He lies self.
You know, get up and we have got them. Yeah. Keynote TV, the big TV.
Yeah, man. See that, man.
Yeah, we shall have one Keynote TV, easily.
Alright, cool, man.
Yeah.
We say, yeah, greatness.
Today is a very, very important day. You know, whenever they had the early part, which we didn't know, but it's quite important for me. I don't want to add another man. Because over 30 years we are dealing with, you know, liberating, you know, sovereignty, you know, farming organization or umbrella, but represent, you know, with substance. It's all about substance. You know, when we say that the I chief, I do it, man. When my virgin first tell me about it, I say, yo, I say, let me tell it, on funny thing, I say, wow. And when I meet there, I show me, I say, wow. I said, this, you know what I'm saying? Because you see, if you're not free, because from your small, you hear about system. And We can operate in our system, but at the end of the day, it's all about not being
in the system.
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah, not be controlled by the system.
Controlled by the system. Because the system is going to do whether or not me and you, here or there. That's what we're trying to get people to free themselves at that level. You know, men, that's what Mali even speak. But pressure and show so you can do it physically. Because them tie up with, from my hurt, them tie up birth certificate, all of these.
Tied up, yeah.
Tie away. So we have to break free, brethren. Break free. See, because the spirit needs to be free.
Yes.
But the physical tie up, so the spirit can't free. See, so that's why.
So this is something where the people need to look into.
People need to look into this. You know, that's why I'm calling and saying, see if we can make it, because your subscribers, they need to know what's going on.
Yeah, sure. I imagine after you call me, not long after, L.A. Lewis called me. I said, Keynote, what go on? I'm going to see your program. What go on? You see me? Yeah. Right away, see that?
So that means say, so you're half a day here, so no matter what.
True.
As it say,
witness the greatness what happen, you know?
Definitely, man.
You know, because boy,
me as one people them come get the birth certificate.
Yeah.
Just get them ID and just get the knowledge, because the knowledge is, you know, we have young youth coming up. 7 a long time, 7 from 7 band, 7 get paid negativity people.
Okay.
Listen me, 7 tracks some place and you know the thing.
Yeah.
So I tell you, the thing is real.
It's real.
7 is free. 7 is not a Jamaican. That's why a matter of fact 7 named 7 because we are number emperors. We can't in a system game because you don't know. All our brand with a number. It's pure number, the number one. So we have to take control of it. Affair.
True.
And we have to give notice, declaration. See, today was the launching of the Constitution, the amended Constitution. These are we give. You know, notice of, hey, Mr. Master.
Yes.
I'm not here on the
I'm stepping aside.
Yes.
Step aside now.
Yeah, man.
I'm stepping aside
so
for sure.
them thing, you know, so you have to step forward and start your journey with emancipating yourself out of
the mental, you know.
Yeah, the mental and the physical. Yes.
Take control.
Take control, Bridget, because you take control of your health, you know, so what happens?
Of course, take control of your full self itself, you know, own yourself. Like how you either say, heal thyself, take control of yourself, you know. It's part of it. Yes, step out the system. It's in control your system. You know, it's the controller. Why? I say I have a lot of things to look into, understand, you know, because the mind been set for so long in that one direction. Condition for so long in that one direction. Like you have to really you know, you have to accept right now to want to learn to know about other way of life, you know.
I'm going to tell you this, that's all of my thing link, you know. See, this link is a very part of me because you can't free somebody until
you free yourself.
Free yourself, one, but Pina, I feel you can't suffer because you can't preach or you can't preach.
Yeah.
But you see, if you're penal, third eye, can't suffer. You know, as soon as I turn my back, you forget everything I'm tell you.
Sure.
So that's why we said detox clean.
Yes.
Because when you're clean, we can talk to you, and you can hear, and you can see.
Yes.
Very important.
Yes.
So that's why we say, heal thyself.
Heal thyself.
Think we have a detox, clean up. And then we say, hey, come sit amongst free people. You know?
Feel free.
Feel free.
Sit amongst to feel free.
Yeah,
you know, it's the way you can literally feel free.
Definitely.
And it's the way forward. You can come around on the steps.
It's the only way.
She's coming around. People. So we say heading to the night market.
Yeah, because you know. It's another part of it.
Yes, guys. So the journey will continue, and then also we'll head to the night market. Subscribe to
Yeah. Be thyself.
Alright. Alright guys, you know anything else, so we're gonna head down to the night market now. You know, after we just finish off this segment here, so anything else, the night market night. Yeah, it was so hard.
We don't use the word clash, you know?
Yeah.
But we have a
double book, you know? So those jump from one to the next, you know? From one dimension to the next, you know? So it works the same way, you know? Because it's all knowledge and it's all the same health, same way, you know?
one link, man.
It's one link, man. One chain link, you know? One. Oh, one card more my dark chocolate. So, you know, I forgot the night, man, to get my dark chocolate because I never get it the last time.
You never get it?
No.
Oh, yeah, we have the chocolate, so I have to stay with chocolate.
Yeah. So the chocolate is short. That's what I is short.
I short one you get.
No, because the one I'm going to get, remember some of that.
The little one you get?
No, you get the big one, but I've been using it now for a little while. So that one there is due now.
It's my regiment. Yeah. I went where the night, my up late, I did some work. I'm saying, no, so.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.